Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. On today's video we're going to make a drink called the Gold Rush, which is basically like a bourbonish whiskey sour kind of thing, right? But it's going to be really flavorful, right? So to make a Gold Rush you kind of want a semi-aged bourbon, right? Not too old because you don't want it to be too oaky, right? You don't want the, too old. But anyway, so I'm going to go with a 7-year Old Ezra 7, which is my favorite bourbon anyway. So let's get started. First, we're going to go 2 ounces of our bourbon. It's a pretty simple cocktail. Not a lot of ingredients. Next is 3/4 of an ounce of a honey syrup. Right, so maybe. We'll worry about that later. So, honey simple syrup, 1 part honey. 1 part water, bring it to a boil, make a syrup, like a simple syrup, right? So this is a honey simple syrup. We're gonna go 3/4 of an ounce. Should let it sit out a little bit so it'll be a little easier. But anyway, 3/4 of an ounce. Last, we're gonna go same 3/4 of an ounce of some lemon juice. Give it a little shake. Freshly squeezed. 3/4 of an ounce. Mix it a little bit. Add a little ice. Give it one more mix. We're going to pour it over a rocks glass. Maybe. And there you have it, a Gold Rush. I love bourbon, so let's see if I'm going to love this bourbon drink. The bourbon, you taste it. The lemon and the honey goes well together. This is another really good drink that I'll surprise some guests with. Just, again, this is similar to a whiskey sour, but with bourbon and honey syrup. Anyway, do not forget to like, follow, and share. And until next time, cheers.